Hello, my name is Vanchita Gandhi. My roll number is 216 and I am from Division B. Today my topic is sources of energy in the subject EVS. Energy means capacity to do work. Energy plays an important role in the field of natural science and engineering science. Energy also plays a deterministic part in chemical processes, working of electricity cells, generation of stars, broadcasting of radio waves, behavior of aquatic species and animal species. This energy can be obtained directly or indirectly from the natural resources, that is, solar energy from the sun. For obtaining light, heat, light energy for removal of darkness, heat energy for cooking, for running vehicles. For example, mechanical energy as a fuel, mineral oil like kerosene, diesel and petrol for running factories, electricity, etc. are used by man as per his will or desire. There are two types of energy resources: non-renewable energy resources, renewable energy resources. Non-renewable energy resources. A non-renewable energy resource is called a finite resources is a natural resources that cannot be readily replaced by nature, means at quick enough pace to keep up with the consumption. An example is carbon-based fossil fuel. The original organic matter with the aid of heat and pressure becomes a fuel such as oil or gas. Earth mineral and metal ores, fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, natural gas, and groundwater in certain aquifers are all considered non-renewable resources, though individual elements are always conserved. This is example of non-renewable energy resources. Second is renewable energy resources. Renewable energy resources is a natural resource which will replenish to replace the portion depleted by usage and consumption, either through natural reproduction or other recurring processes, a finite amount of time in a human time scale. Renewable resources are a part of Earth's natural environment and largest components of its ecosphere. A positive life cycle assessment is a key indicator of a resource sustainability. This is example of renewable energy resources. There are four types of energy types. First, wind energy. Second, solar energy. Tidal, ebb tidal energy, hydropower energy. Wind power or wind energy is the use of wind to provide mechanical power through wind turbines to turn electricity generators for electrical power. Wind power is a popular sustainable renewable sources of power that has much smaller impact on environment compared to burning fossil fuels. Solar energy is a radiant light and heat from the sun that is harnessed using a range of every evolving technologies such as solar heating, photovoltaics, solar thermal energy, solar architecture, molten salt power plants, and artificial photosynthesis. It is an essential source of renewable energy and its technologies are broadly categorized as a passive solar or active solar depending on how they capture and distribute solar energy or convert it into solar power. Active solar techniques include the use of photovoltaic systems, concentrate solar power, and solar water heating to harness the energy. Passive solar techniques include orienting a building to the sun, selecting materials with favorable thermal mass or light dispersing properties, and designing spaces that naturally circulate the air. Tidal energy. Tidal power or tidal energy is harnessed by converting energy from tides into useful forms of power, mainly electricity, using various methods. Shiva Lake Tidal Power Station, located in Jeonju Province, South Korea, is the world's largest tidal power installation with a total power output capacity of 254 MW. Although not yet widely used, tidal energy has the potential for future electricity generation. Tides are more predictable than the wind and sun among sources of renewable energy. Tidal energy has traditionally suffered from the relatively high cost and limited availability of sites with the sufficient high tidal ranges or flow velocities, thus constructing its total availability. However, many recent technology development and improvement both in design, example dynamic tidal power, tidal lagoons, and turbine technology, that is new axial turbines, cross flow turbines, indicate that a total availability of tidal. Hydropower energy. Hydropower uses a fuel water that is not reduced or used up in the process because the water cycle In an endless, constantly recharging system, hydropower is considered a renewable energy when flowing water is captured and turned into electricity. It is called hydroelectricity power or hydropower. Thank you.